everybody, we're gonna take sea animals.
Huh?
Sea animals.
Sea animals? What are we gonna do tonight?
Sea animals in the bucket.
Sea animals in a bucket. So you just got a new bucket of sea animal toys, right?
Octopus, I don't know.
Yeah, so what is this here?
Okay.
It's called Terra Marine World. Looks like there's 60 pieces of various sea animal features. So you just open the bucket and you got a bunch of sea animals inside.
Okay.
Where did you get these sea animals from?
From Target.
Target? And mommy took you to go buy them earlier?
Dad, I'm gonna take one at a time.
Okay, let's do one at a time. So
The
first one is, what is that?
Orca.
An orca?
The ones that
Okay, set the orca down on the table.
He's an octopus.
Okay, let's set him aside, okay?
And
Hold on, let's take a look at him first. Wow, this is a big orca. Okay,
Here's
and what's
another
next?
One.
What is that?
Another one.
Another orca?
It's a small one.
A small one, is that baby?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the baby next to his mama.
Another one.
Another orca. How many orcas are there?
3.
3. Okay, let's set that one down too. So there's a big one, a medium one, and a small one.
Dad, didn't I turn into a humpback whale? Let's see I did a humpback. Oh, I
Okay,
did.
what's next?
A humpback.
A humpback whale? Let's take a look at that.
It's the baby.
A baby humpback whale, huh?
Oh, I got a dolphin. And
Set that there. And what is this?
a dolphin.
A dolphin.
From sea. Dad, look.
Hmm?
Remember we saw the authentic dolphin from SeaWorld?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put the dolphin here.
Yep. Let's set the dolphin aside.
Oh, another dolphin.
Another
The
dolphin.
baby.
A baby one.
Dad, let me see. Let's see, I can get another humpback. Another humpback.
Another humpback. Wow.
Dad, I saw an old girl. Her say just saw humpback whales.
Mm-hmm.
Humpback whale.
Okay, what's next?
Octopus.
An octopus.
Dad,
Wow.
he's camouflage.
Yeah, this is a cool octopus.
Look at the red one.
Hmm?
The red
Where did
one.
that red one come from?
I thought it from Target also.
Is that part of this box though? Or is that a separate one?
The second one.
Separate one? Okay, we'll set this one aside over here for now.
I just want to play with it. Let's see, I can get a big saw shark. Oh, I did.
What is that?
Saw shark.
A saw shark?
You call it sawfish or saw shark?
I think it's called sawfish, right? Wow, look at that. What is that? A baby one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these
Daddy,
have like
look.
a long beak
Dad, look in the.
and a
Dad,
saw-like
look in the sky.
edges on there.
Dad, look.
What? What is that?
Whale shark.
A whale shark?
The biggest shark at all.
The biggest shark in the world?
Yeah.
That's the biggest fish in the world.
Yeah.
Here, let's have it sitting over here.
But I want it to sit next to me.
I know, but we need to sit them all facing this way. Okay, what's next?
Let me see.
What's that?
Great white.
A great white shark?
Yep.
Okay. Blue shark, but yeah, it could be a great white, right?
Yeah, that's why I got teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Another one!
What is that? Another great white shark?
Oh, it's right down.
Uh-huh. Here, let's set this here.
Ow, something bit my finger! Oh my gosh!
What?
He bit my finger, man.
What? The shark bit you?
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Wow. So now we got a big
Blue
shark, a medium shark, and a baby shark.
See, I did the small one. Ah! What?
What is that?
Leopard shark.
A leopard shark?
They call it a leopard shark, that's why it was a leopard.
It looks like a leopard. Yeah, it does have spots on it.
It was right down.
Here, set it down.
I'm gonna put a nest to the whale shark.
Okay. What's next?
Another one?
Whoa, that's a big leopard shark.
Let's put it here.
Okay, let's set this right here so we can see it.
What? A dead sea lion.
What is that? A sea lion? Wow.
Here's another sea lion.
There's 2 sea lions. Let's set them down.
This looks like a dead sea lion.
Okay,
Dad,
let's set these over here. So there's a sea lion there and one right there.
there's a green and a brown.
Yeah.
Dad, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's
Okay, what
7.
else is there?
Dad, there's 7 left.
7 left? What is that? A sea turtle.
Sea turtle. Let's put him in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, set him right there.
Let me see. Oh, the baby!
What is that?
The baby.
A baby whale shark.
I think it's my favorite. Hammerhead.
A hammerhead shark.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite shark?
Yeah.
Why do you like the hammerhead shark?
That's why I got a hammer on it.
That's why it has a hammer on its head.
Yeah, let me see. I did Manta Ray this time. Oh, I did. Manta Ray.
Manta Ray? Let's see that Manta Ray.
The teeth.
Let me see. Yeah, you can see the teeth in there.
It looks like a shark.
Mm-hmm.
Manta Ray right there.
Okay, what else is there?
Tiger shark.
A tiger shark? And why is that called a tiger shark?
That's why I see blue stripes on it.
Stripes. Let's take a look.
A little bit.
Doesn't have the stripes of a tiger shark.
Well, I don't have black, only blue.
Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of shark is that. We'll set this right here next to the lemon shark.
You mean leopard shark?
Oh yeah, the leopard shark. And the sawfish. What else is in there?
The electric eel.
An electric eel?
Dad, look. Eel G.
Yeah, an electric eel is a dangerous eel.
Yeah. So there's more eel.
Let's take a look at this. Yeah.
Dad, one left.
Hmm?
One left. The minke whale.
What is that?
A minke whale.
A minke whale?
Yeah.
Really? Wow, this is a big whale.
Dad, let me get the blue whale and compare.
You got a blue whale to compare to it?
Yeah, let's see the minke whale compares to the blue whale.
Wow, there's your blue whale, and here is your mink whale, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, the blue whale is big.
Yeah, the biggest mammal.
Biggest mammal in the world, right?
Dad, give me the small one. I want to show you something. I want to show you something.
So it looks like we have all your sea creatures out of there. Wow, that's a lot of sea animals on the table.
Dad, I want to show you a color.
Which one's your favorite on there?
I like all of them.
All of them?
Dad, this color is gray.
Yeah, it is.
Gray is like there. Okay, this is gray. Gray over here. Here's another gray. Another gray. Here's Lalo. Lalo stays in the same spot. Lalo. Green. Blue.
Wow, all done?
Yep.
So we sorted them all out by colors.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Good night.
Good night.